If your device is at the heart of your customer's core processes, its malfunction can be a serious problem for their business. The speed of response of your customer service is crucial. Phone calls or remote desktop connection is not enough for complex equipment. And the closest available technician with the right set of skills might be hours away. Reduce stress, cost, and waiting time by using the remote visual support. With AIRe Link, a service technician creates an audio-visual session which lands on the customer's smartphone or tablet directly. There is no need for app download or lengthy registration process. The technician can immediately see what the customer sees and make visual annotations along with audio instructions to easily navigate the operator through the fix. Reduce costs and CO2 emissions. Save traveling time, get quicker fixes, happier customers and technicians. AIRe Link can help you to resolve customer issues remotely, regardless of your business area. Try AIRe Link now and start your remote visual support service.